Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today I got some $30 Canadian dollar paper shredder. It can do 2 sheets of paper at a time. I'm not sure if it's full sheets of paper, like the regular 18.5 by 11 inches. But yeah, it's pretty cheap. It's $30 Canadian dollars. It also has a letter opener on the side. You can find a link in the description below to find this on Amazon.ca. But the posting on Amazon.ca wasn't really descriptive of the product. All I know is just that it's pretty cheap. I'm not sure if the blades that cut the paper are metal either, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay. Comes in a pretty tight package. There it is, nothing else. Okay, it's USB powered as well, nice. Yeah, I'll show you guys all around the box. Okay, it requires 4 batteries, God, 4 AA batteries, apparently. We will make sure of that once we open it. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so there's no tape. We can directly open it. Let's pull that out. Lift the top. Okay. That seems to be about it for the box. We'll put that away. Now for this. Some tape right there. It's a nice little small capacity right there. This could definitely fit a desk really well. Let's see if you guys could see there. I'm not sure if that's metal or plastic, but yeah. Okay, so there's on, there's off, and there's a reverse, I'm assuming. And the letter cutter is right there on the side. Let me see if I can get that to focus. This was outside for about like 30 minutes, so you can see all that fogging. How do we open this? So, okay, so there's where the power connector goes, right there, or the USB power. Okay, it just came off. Yeah. There's a little user manual. Cut style, strip cut. There's the dimensions, I guess, for the paper you can put in. Cautions, instructions. I will read that. Let's see what else is in here. There's a USB connector. Not exactly sure what this port is called, but my laptop has a very similar type of input. And it's pretty good in length. It's around 3 to 4 feet, I presume. But yeah, okay, we'll put that away. So a sticker at the bottom, it says QC passed. Not sure why. I'm gonna peel that off. There's little stabilizers. Doesn't really stabilize it. I mean, or attach it to its floor really very well, but it's not a big issue. I'll see you guys back after I get some batteries to power this thing up with. Alright, I'm back. I got these AA Energizer Max batteries. Oh god, the focus. There we go. Yep. So we're just gonna take this off the front. I think that the batteries are not necessary for this purpose. For it to work, I mean, because you do have this cable. I'm not sure if this charges up the batteries, but I do believe that you can just use it without the batteries by just plugging in this into some USB port. Okay, we'll just put it in like that. They do advise you not to put your fingers in that gap. And yeah, okay, you want to keep your fingers away from there as well. from the paper cutter, I mean. Okay, so we're just gonna put this back. It's really no attachment. It's just sit it on. There it is. Now let's turn it on. Okay, that's quite a noise. Wow, and in reverse. Okay. I'm gonna get some paper and we're gonna try it out. Alright, so I got myself some paper right here. And some scrap paper, and this is just a wall adapter, regular Samsung wall adapter. Yep. So we're just gonna plug this in. We're gonna plug it in. Oh, we forgot something. I forgot to put on the cover. Just gonna take that off real quick. Okay. We're just gonna try it on with the battery. We already saw it works with the batteries, but we're also gonna try it on with just the USB by removing the batteries and seeing if it does work. And yeah, let's put that on. Gotta be careful when holding this. There we go. I'll keep it like this. Let's just turn it on and let's see how it shreds paper. Okay, so that's how it does it. It's quite small and fine pieces. It's pretty good. Seems to be working fine. Yeah, little strands right there. We're gonna take that out and put it there for now. Okay, so I'm also gonna connect this this power port over here somewhere. Yep, there it is. 1.2 amps. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's focusing. There, now it's focused. Okay, you can place it either way, like that. Let's see if I have a wall mount is pretty far away from me right now. I'm gonna get this hooked up somewhere real close and I'll see you guys back. Alright, we're in a new destination right now. So I have plugged it in right there. So there's the wire that goes on and attaches right there. I will test the letter cutter right I'm not sure what it's called. The letter opener. Yeah, right there. Okay. So here's a single sheet of paper. Yeah, I just cut it in half by folding it in half and ripping it apart. We're gonna turn this back on. Seems to be working. Seems to be working. Now what we're gonna do is take off the batteries and see if it still works. Okay. Okay, oh god. Take that out. Take that out. And finally, that is quite difficult. I'm gonna see, no, I gotta do it. God. Alright, we've been able to take out all 4 batteries. Let's take this and place it back on this. Okay, so it does have a specific spot because that gap right there is meant for the letter opener. So place it back like that. Ooh, my video time is running out. Okay, so I'll close this video and I'll start another one and I'll see you guys back. Alright, I am back. So the letter opener space, as I was mentioning, there's the gap. So anyways, let's see if it turns on. Still turns on. You do not need batteries for this, which is amazing. It's great. Let's just see if it works as good. Not exactly sure what the reverse button's purpose is, but let's take that off. See if I can pull it off with one hand. Yep, there we go. There's all the paper. I guess the reverse is to grind it into a little bit smaller pieces, as you can see right there. Okay, had done that. Okay, let's just take this out real quick. Put it there. I want to try doing it while just folding a sheet, like just not cutting it in half. Just folded it. Now I'm just gonna put it in and see what goes on. So turn it on. Okay, it has been able to do it. Well, it should have been, because it says 2 sheets. So I presume most people will fold it and just put it in, because it's much easier than just to cut it up constantly in half. Well, it's not that hard, but it's time consuming, so it's not very efficient. I'll put all that right back in there now. I don't see the point in taking it out. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, we're gonna test out the letter cutter. Or the letter opener, I should say. Just trying to stick it out. I'm gonna go get a letter from somewhere, and yeah, we'll see if it works or not. See you guys back. Alright guys, so I found a letter. I will avoid showing you the front, but we'll see how this works exactly. I'm not sure if I just put it in, it'll do it for me, but we'll have to see. That was pretty simple, actually. That was fairly easy. Let's do it again, actually, one more time. I'll put it like that. If I were to complain, the only issue with that is that when I'm doing this, it hits like right there. Where is it? Right there. So like when I'm going through, it bumps into this, and then I gotta try and pull it out a little bit and just keep going. It's a little bit annoying, but it's not a huge issue, considering the price only being $30 Canadian dollars. It's much cheaper than most other paper shredders. So yeah, very happy with this product. Definitely recommend it. Links will be in the description below. Yeah, it seemed kind of sketchy at first, because it didn't have too much of a description online. There wasn't much reviews on Amazon.ca. So yeah, I'm happy this turned out pretty good. I'm still not sure if the blades are plastic or metal, but I'm presuming they're metal, because they do shine, like they're coated in some shiny paint, and it seemed like that would be more common in metal. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.